Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2020 BMW X2 28i. X2, yeah, xDrive 28i. This thing is actually pretty fun. Spent some time with it over the past 24 hours. Go into the menu, go into my vehicle. You got vehicle settings. You can go into lighting, interior lighting, and you can change all that ambient lighting. And you just hit back. Vehicle status. Technology in action. We'll go into the sport displays. 228 horsepower, I think 250 or so pound-feet of torque. It's actually a very, very torquey motor. Going to normal drive first. Eight-speed automatic. It's actually a really good transmission. Like I said, spent some time in this car. Past 12 hours or so. Took it home last night, spent some time in it. I'm impressed. It's actually comfortable, fun to drive, pretty torquey powertrain. Do wish it had shift paddles, but this manual mode is perfectly fine. So, you know, I'm gonna do something a little bit different. Move it over into manual slash sport mode, not splash. You can see plenty of power. And this is also one of those BMWs that has a baffle in the right exhaust pipe. So if you've ever been behind a BMW on the highway, especially one of these, you've seen it because it's right at the end of the tailpipe. It's extremely visible. And if you've ever seen one get aggravated and try to pass a car behind on the highway, you'll see it open right up. It's pretty cool to watch. And at lower speeds, you can 100% hear it open. The exhaust note changes just a little bit. It's not noticeable like a Huracan when those baffles open, but if you listen closely, you can see a deer. Let's go investigate the deer. It's probably not the best idea in the world, but I want to investigate the deer. When there's one, there's always another one. Look at him. Her. Probably a doe. I gotta take a picture of you. You're cute. You're really cute. Go into normal drive and just nice and quietly go visit the deer. That's so cute. Happy as can be. That means there's another one around here somewhere. So if there's one, there's always another. Sorry, I get distracted easily. I don't know if you can tell. All in all, I want to say this is actually a decent car. I went into it expecting it, you know, kind of like the CLA, Mercedes CLA. Like, yeah, it's not really all that good. This is good. I'm actually surprised by it. I'm impressed. It's comfortable, fun to drive. It's not what I thought it was going to be. I expected it to be absolute garbage, and it's absolutely not that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.